Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're jumping into something huge, artificial intelligence. We're going to break down how AI isn't just some fancy new tool for marketers, but something that's totally reinventing marketing strategy itself, from the ground up.
Okay, to really get this, let's look at the before and after. On one side, you've got traditional marketing. Think of it like a shotgun approach. It's broad, it's kind of slow, and honestly, there's a lot of guesswork involved. But then you have AI-powered marketing. This is more like a sniper rifle. It's incredibly precise, it's instant, and it's all driven by hard data. It's a level of focus that not too long ago was basically science fiction.
Now, before we get lost in all the cool new tech, we've got to ground ourselves in what marketing is really all about. Because, the technology might be brand new, but the reasons why we do marketing, those goals are absolutely timeless.
At its core, marketing really starts right here. We all have fundamental needs, right? Like food or feeling like we belong. But then, our culture shapes those into wants. So you don't just need food, you want a very specific kind of pizza. And demands? Well, that's when you've actually got the money in your pocket to go buy that pizza. Getting this difference is the absolute bedrock of any market.
So, with all this noise out there, how does any company stand out? Simple. It has to answer the customer's #1 question: why should I buy your brand? And that answer? That's your value proposition. It's the promise you make, and it's what separates you from literally everyone else.
And this all leads to a really profound shift in thinking. See, the old way was basically, let's sell what we make. But the smarter way, the modern way, is let's make what we can sell. It's this outside-in view, and it puts what the customer needs right at the center of the universe. And this philosophy, it's what AI is about to put on steroids.
All right, so keeping those timeless goals in mind, let's bring in the real game changer, AI. This is a force that isn't changing what marketing is for, but it is completely revolutionizing how we do it. It's a whole new toolkit for a whole new era.
So what is AI's superpower? Imagine trying to listen to a million conversations all at once, just to figure out what people are going to want to buy tomorrow. I mean, it's impossible for a person, right? But that's pretty much what AI does. It digs through these mountains of data, finds patterns you'd never see, and can even predict what you'll want before you even know you want it.
And this raw power gives marketers an incredible new set of tools. We're talking about predictive analytics to see what's coming around the corner, automation that frees up your team from all the boring stuff, hyper-personalization that makes every single customer feel like you're talking just to them, and even real-time sentiment analysis to know how people are feeling right now.
And hey, if you want to know just how big of a deal this is, all you have to do is follow the money. I mean, this chart says it all. By 2025, digital and AI-driven ad spending is projected to just dwarf traditional spending. We're talking $800 billion versus $200 billion. This isn't some small trend. It's a massive economic earthquake.
Okay, so we've got this powerful new toolkit. The big question is, how does it actually supercharge those classic marketing goals we talked about? How do you use all these new toys to build a genuinely better strategy?
This table breaks it down so well. Let's just take one line here. See predictive analytics on the left? Its mechanism is analyzing old patterns. And the impact for a manager? You can see a spike in demand coming and get ahead of it. Or look at hypersegmentation. The AI finds these tiny, super specific customer groups, and bam, that leads directly to higher conversion rates. Every tool serves a strategic purpose.
So where are marketers actually aiming these powerful new tools? Well, according to research from SurveyMonkey, the #1 use is content optimization. And that totally makes sense, right? It's all about making every single ad, every email, every post work as hard as it possibly can. After that, it's brainstorming, automation, and of course, keeping an eye on what people are saying online.
And what's the end result of all this? For the customer, it just means a way more relevant experience. AI can map someone's entire journey, from their first click to their final purchase. It lets you do dynamic pricing that changes based on demand. It gives you 24/7 customer support with tireless chatbots, and it lets you create these tiny, precise audiences so your message feels like it was written just for them.
Okay, this all sounds really powerful, but let's get practical. How do you actually bring AI into your marketing strategy? Because it's not as simple as just buying some software. Let's walk through a little playbook for making it happen.
A successful AI integration doesn't start with the tech. It starts with a super simple but really crucial question. What problem are we actually trying to solve here? Once you know your objective, then you can go find the right tools, figure out how to get your team on board, and finally, measure everything so you can keep getting better.
And choosing the right tool, that's where the real strategy kicks in, because they are not all created equal. You have to ask the tough questions. Is this thing actually built for what I need? Can we afford it? Will it even work with our other systems? And maybe the most important one, does my team actually have the skills to use it? The best tool in the world is totally useless if it doesn't fit your team.
And let's be real, this journey is not always a walk in the park. There are some serious hurdles. Often, the biggest one is just the data itself. AI needs clean, good data to learn from. Then you've got the people problem, finding folks who get both marketing and data science. And finally, you have to think about the ethical side, making sure you're using these powerful tools responsibly, protecting privacy, and avoiding bias.
So what does all this mean for the actual marketer? Is a robot about to take your job? The answer is a definite, hard no. This last part is all about why the future isn't about replacement, it's about augmentation.
This quote just nails it, and it reminds me of this amazing story from the world of chess. You probably remember when IBM's Deep Blue computer beat the world champion, Garry Kasparov. At the time, everyone was freaking out, thinking it was the end of human chess.
But they were totally wrong. Turns out, the best chess player on the planet today isn't a person, and it isn't an AI. It's a Centaur, a human strategist working together with a computer. This idea is the perfect way to think about the future of marketing, a partnership where human and machine strengths combine to do way more than either could on their own.
And this slide really shows you what that partnership looks like. The AI handles what it's good at, speed, scale, and spotting patterns a human would never catch. And that frees up the human marketer to focus on what we do best, using our judgment, asking the big strategic questions, and making sure everything is being done ethically.
So ultimately, this whole thing is about making smarter, faster, more data-driven decisions. AI doesn't replace the strategist. It becomes their most powerful co-pilot, giving them the deep insights they need to build better strategies and drive real business results.
So, we'll leave you with this one last thought to chew on. As AI gets better and better at the science of marketing, the data, the optimization, the automation, the most valuable marketers are going to be the ones who can define the why. What's the story we're trying to tell? What does this brand truly stand for? That's the new frontier for human creativity.